So you might be in a weird situation where you keep getting this question mark kind of emojis showing up. Now, the reason why this happens is mostly because your system or the software that you're on is not supporting the current emojis that are currently being sent to you. So when any new Android version comes out, or if a new whatever comes out, like a new Android version, Windows version, macOS version, sometimes there can be some new emojis that come out. So basically, if you're going through and if you're actually finding a new emoji, you'll basically see them under your emoji tab. However, if a new emoji is being updated and your phone doesn't support that, well, that basically means that your phone will not be able to display that emoji. So if you scroll through here and if you're updated on your software, you should be able to see that emoji here. But if you see those question blocks, that basically means that that emoji is missing on your system, whether it's an iPhone or whatever. So the way to go ahead and fix this is to update your specific device. So whether you're on an iPhone or an Android or a Windows PC or a Mac, what you want to do is you want to find out how you can update your phone. So on iPhones, we just go into our system settings and we click General. On our Android, again, same thing, go into System Settings, go on System Update or About Phone, you can search for it. Go and click on Software Update up here. And all you're going to want to do is update your iPhone or Android or whatever. Now there's a chance where you don't have the ability of getting the latest update. If you have an outdated phone, if you have a phone that's not supported with software anymore, well, in that case, like in this case with an iPhone 8 Plus in the future, if this iPhone is not getting any more software updates, well, that basically means you're not going to be able to go ahead and view those emojis. If you have an Android system or a Windows PC or a Mac, there may be some ways to circumvent that, but on iPhones, there's not really a way to do that. The only way to do it is to go ahead and basically update your iPhone, update your Android, update whatever device you're rocking, and that may end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.